Hey Dwayne, my name is Viola with Gwinnett SEO, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I could help your business with, please shoot me a message back and we could chat. And if not, no worries. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. I hope you could take these tips and put them into action. Now, the only thing I ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was at all helpful. Now, the 3 things that I will be going over are content, backlinks, and citations. So first up is content, and that's pretty much anything that you can see on this home page here. And it does include the words and it does include the pictures. Now, Google wants to see at least 1,500 words on the home page of your website, but within those 1,500 words, that pretty much gives you the opportunity to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So honestly, overall, your website looks fantastic. I love how bright it is. I love the movability. It looks pretty updated. Looks like you recently did something. I love the call to action here, the immediate call to action here. So you guys have a lot going on with it already. Let's take a look and see how these are saved. Because although Google doesn't notice how beautiful the pictures are and how beautiful the homes are, they do read what's behind the photos. So you want to try to save this as a keyword that you guys are trying to be searched for or trying to be located for. And I'll dive a little deeper into that in just a few. But you want to appease Google by having those 1,500 words on this homepage. So that will be a huge, that way Google could put you as the authoritative website in front of or ahead of any other roofing company on Google.com. So for example, let's go to Google. If somebody clicks in roof repair alpharetta, Atlanta, Georgia, the first thing they see here are all the ads, and they usually skip that, whether it be because of ad blockers or a bad experience, etc. But I want to talk about this section right here. This section has everything to do with citations. And a citation is basically a directory, which is anywhere on the web where your business name, address, and phone number are listed. And such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. I mean, basically anywhere else that would allow a business to enter those details. So you want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business, but then you want to double, triple, quadruple those listings and add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. That's what's going to have you completely dominating in this area and in this space, which would also help you rank pretty high, all right, on the maps here. Now, understand though that you always want to stay ahead. The reason why you want to jump ahead is because you want to dominate, and that way when your competitors notice that they're no longer in the #1 spot and they try to do whatever they need to do to get ahead, it's going to be very hard to catch you because you'll be 20, 30, 40 spots ahead of them. Now, the other area I want to talk about is this area down here, the organic section, and this has everything to do with backlinks. So backlinks are pretty simple. The way they work is you have a site out there that has a link, and site A is linking back to site B. So it's linking back to your site and it's pushing power to your site, and it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But please understand, not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say, for example, you did some work for someone that owns a pizza shop, and they decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link has nothing to do with roofing and it's going to have everything to do with pizza. So it won't be very helpful. You're going to want to get some links from other roofing companies that send something back to your site, and that would send a signal to Google that this is the industry that you're in. Doing this is pretty much going to help your website become a lot more powerful as well as more unique. And this is what's going to help you guys get ranked closer and closer and closer towards the first page as time permits. So I want to jump into one of these tools here. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It allows me to give you a visual representation of exactly what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and put your website in here, Detailed Roofer, and it says that you guys have 90 websites linking back to you 287 times using 77 different keywords. And you're currently getting an organic traffic of 2 people per month and not much value, but nothing to scoff at, because I know a lot of roofing companies that don't even have a website, let alone uh, uh, um, any backlinks linking back to them. Let's take a look at one of your competitors. This is Mr. Roofer Atlanta. This is their homepage. As you can see, they have quite a bit of words on their homepage, still not 1,500, so they're definitely very beatable when it comes to that. I put their information in the same tool that I use called Ahrefs. Let's take a look at their overview. What it says here is that they have 427 referring domains, linking back to them 61,000 times. They're only using 515 keywords, and they're getting an organic traffic of about 524 per month, and they're almost gaining $7,000 in traffic per month just from their website and the optimization of their keywords. Now, let's jump into these keywords that I keep talking about. So I want to show you, for example, here, roofing contractors Atlanta. 150 people search for roofing contractors Atlanta per month. This company gets 54 customers just from this one keyword per month, and they're in the #1 position for that. All right, let's go down a little bit. Roof repair alpharetta, 350 people search for that per month. They currently get 32 clients out of that 350, and they're in the #4 spot on Google for it per month. So I won't, bore you with every single keyword and all the information on here, but you kind of get the gist when I was speaking in reference to your site as far as how you can save this as a keyword, etc. That's going to help you guys get ranked. So again, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of places that they are. But then again, we spoke about it earlier. You want to make sure that you're adding on top of that. This way you're far surpassing your competitors, which will help you get on that first page of Google. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you would like more information about Gwinnett SEO and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, then please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But again, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.